Hello there, welcome to another SEO Content Machine Next tutorial video. Today I'm going to cover in depth the profile creator, previously known as the About Me generator. It has been given a big facelift and the feature set has expanded greatly. So on the left hand side, profile creator, and at the very top now we have the About Me template. So by default it ships with this template, which is all in English. But as you will see as we move down the options, you can actually have this configured to run in any language. So firstly, just a quick discussion about macros. So if you know anything about word mail merge, it works exactly in the same manner. So here we have a percentage sign with a word age, another percentage, and this refers to a macro. So when this About Me generator is called, it's going to use this macro code and it's going to go down to the About Me macro section and replace it with content from these text boxes. By default, age is pre-configured for you. So if we click on the Generate About Me button, I'm going to get a spun About Me profile created, and I can always preview it here on the right hand side. So if I keep clicking this button, I'm going to get a different preview out of it. If I want to use this code, I can just click on the copy code to clipboard, and that's available for me to use anywhere else. If you are trying to use the About Me generator automatically when using the create article function, it is pulled in for you using the About Me template code. So I'm going to quickly show you what that looks like. So if we go to edit template and we select, let's say, pre-configured template that I already have. So article HTML, and it says pre-configured, so it's something I can edit. If I clear all these and I navigate down here on the right hand side, you will see a tag that says About Me. So this About Me template code is going to use the output of what's in this box when you are running a article creator job using that template. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing for you. When it comes to the About Me template, you can change and configure this any way that you would like. So for example, at the moment it says took a trip to places and drives a car. If I wanted to add, for example, a reference to a first name and a hobby, so let's do my name is and I like hobbies, full stop. So when I click generate About Me, if you look on the right hand side preview, it says my name is Zebediah and I like web surfing. So Zebediah is referring to the first names macro, and hobbies is referring to this macro that's being used. So these macros, where do they come from? So if I look at first names and I scroll down, if I look through this list, there will be a first names macro, as you can see here. And down below here, you can see all the first names that have been pre-provided for you. Similarly, if I go to hobbies, the same thing. As you can see, it's one hobby per line, one first name per line. And what it does is it combines all these lines into one syntax group. So there are two blank spaces that you can use other on websites. So feel free to fill those in with any other particular content that you want to pre-include. Some of these have been provided to you by default, such as towns and places. Feel free obviously to delete these and replace it with anything that you feel is appropriate. If you want to generate an About Me or a profile that's in another language, all you have to do is replace these places that are in English with places that are in your target language. Now, for this first version, it only saves one set. So you can only have English, you can only have French, you can't do both. However, it's possible for me to add this feature later on if there is a need for it. Additionally, if you are a power user that wants to create your own macro codes, this might also be possible in the future. If you are looking for something like this, please leave a comment in the video below or email me anytime, info@seocontentmachine.com. So once again, this is a new feature that's been added. I consider this a version 1. Any feedback you have on this, feel free to get in contact with me and we can see what we can do for you.